Well, I'm here in downtown Richland at the Do It Best hardware store. And it's a great place to go if you need one or two things, or 100. Because not only do they have a hardware store, they have a lumber yard. And if they don't have it, they'll get it for you. Great place to go. Nice people running the place. Never a problem going in and asking a question. They've always got an answer.
Didn't take long to find what I needed. I've been to this store enough times that I just pretty much walk in and put my hands on things. But if I had a question, I could ask somebody at the counter because they're always willing to help. They have a ton of stuff in here. This is just the one floor. There's another floor down below it that has more things. So if you're looking for something, you ought to check out your local hardware store. I bet you got one very similar to this one. And if you don't, that's too bad, because I bet you had one.
So that's my excursion to the hardware store. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.